Osmo.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Hi guys, hope you're well and welcome back. Now today is a very exciting video. We are sharing with you something very exciting, and that is
Osmo.
Osmo. So we have kindly been sent this Osmo Genius Kit, and Osmo are kindly sponsoring this video, and we are very excited to get stuck in, aren't we? Well, you're very excited to get stuck in, aren't you? You've been eyeing this up, haven't you? And you said you've seen it on the TV loads of times, haven't you?
Yeah, it's like, I want to play Osmo, I want to play Osmo.
So Osmo is an educational gaming platform that can be used on both iPads and tablets, and it's a hands-on learning experience. Through using tangible pieces that are in the kit, children can bring stuff to life and really enhance their learning. Now the Genius Starter Kit is aimed for children from 6 to 10 and has 5 different unique games which cover the different STEM topics. Now each of these topics can either be done alone or with family, which means Klayton, you can either play with mummy and daddy, can't you? Or he can take his tablet to his bedroom and do it by yourself, can't you? You've got lots of different options, and you like working on your tablet quite a bit, don't you? And you love to do lots of learning stuff as well, don't you? Yeah. Now there are 5 different games that we can download. So you've got words, you have numbers, you have something called Tangram, you also have Newton and Masterpiece. There's everything from learning your letters and your words to your numbers. You can also do drawing, science. There's so many different options with this, and it covers so many of the different areas that children need to use.
Yeah, first one I want to do is this one.
You want to do that one? There's loads of different ones. They all look really fun, don't they?
I think I did that one because I know that one.
So through this, kids can gain so much confidence, whether it's a love of engineering or numbers. They can do it by themselves, with family, as I've already mentioned. And I know when I was younger, there was never really anything like that around. And in fact, Klayton, mummy had to learn maths from like a pen and paper. Like mummy had pencils and papers, and that's how she did all of her maths. Mummy never had no fun games like this.
Oh.
I know, can you imagine?
So, it must have been boring.
Yeah, well, exactly that. This looks so much fun, doesn't it? Like, if you could learn your numbers, like, look at this maths game on here. So what would you prefer? Would you prefer doing it on a piece of paper, or would you prefer doing it on something like this?
Something like that.
Should we give it a go? How about mummy teaches you how I used to do it when I was younger, and then we can give it a go on this and see which one's more fun. Want to try? Yeah? Let's go and have a try then. Okay, so to start off with, mummy's going to show you how mummy used to do maths, okay? So, think of some numbers that are really tricky that you think mummy can't add up in her head.
27 add 30?
27 add 30. Okay, so when mummy was younger, the way that mummy had to learn how to do maths and add stuff up was like this. So we'd have to write it down on a piece of paper, and then mummy would literally just be given a sum on a sheet of paper that would say 27 add 30. And that was how fun mummy's learning was. Somebody would just write it down like that. And then mummy would have to go like this, and mummy would have to add up the lines. So mummy would write them one underneath each other, and we'd go 7 plus 0 equals
7.
7. And then 2 plus 3
Equals 5.
5. So the answer is 57. And so mummy would get a whole list of numbers like that.
What? Like
All the way down the page. Mummy would have to work them out. Does that sound fun? No. Why not? Why does that not sound fun?
Because there's lots and you don't like doing lots and lots and lots and lots.
I know. And it is a bit like work, isn't it? It's boring. So why don't you try and see if you can do it with the adding? So mummy will give you something and we'll see if you can add it, okay? So write down the question 33 plus 29.
29.
So now you need to try and use this method and see if you can work it out.
So if I said 2 add 3, 5.
No. Because you need to do them underneath each other.
Okay.
Is this fun? Why not? Why's it no fun?
It's no fun.
Okay, should we try and do it on the Osmo instead?
Yeah.
Should we do some adding on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's
Let's chuck the
boring.
boring stuff away. Wow, look at this. Look at all those.
A-B-B.
Wow. So,
The rubbish stuff away.
the rubbish stuff. The paper's boring, is it? So, we've got a little case here and it's full of numbers and it's got like some dominoes cards. Can you open that for me?
Yeah.
And then we have our Osmo stand and we've got your tablet, haven't we? Okay, so it's really simple. To download, all you need to do is put online and Osmo has step-by-step instructions on how to download the games to your tablet or your iPad according to what you have. So it's really simple. You can just follow all the instructions and then you're ready to go. So we have the Osmo numbers because we have been trying out the maths and you found it really boring, right?
Yeah.
So now we're going to see how Osmo fares on the online gaming. So we're going to pop the reflector on the top of the camera like so. Pop it into its base like that. And then we're going to click the game.
Oh my god.
Good job. So Klayton is using the playing pieces that he has right now and transforming his tablet into a hands-on learning tool, using it interactively. Using the reflector that comes with it, it's reacting to everything that he does and it can see exactly what he's doing, so he gives the answers through using the pieces. You did it again, clever boy.
This is so fun. Okay, that was definitely scary. That looks it.
Oh.
I did it!
You did it, good job.
5. Mum, I think I've done it. I need to take away the 2 and 2.
As you can see, every time Klayton gets something right or it does something interactive, he gets really, really excited by this. And this really encourages him and keeps him enthusiastic to learn.
If I put one there, it blows it! Yes! Oh, that was so cool!
Okay, so what was more fun? Was it more fun doing it on the really exciting paper and the pen? Why? Why was this more fun?
Because you get to you don't have to write the numbers, you can just put them up.
I know, and you're learning at the same time, aren't you? And you get to see your score as well, don't you, on how we've done, you go through the levels. This is so much fun. So I think it's safe to say that Osmo's learning and being interactive is a big hit with our kids. They love any sort of games they can do on the tablets like this, and this is a really genius way to do it. Palm of the palm with the Genius Kit. Not only is it a really good thing that he can do with me, he can do it on his own whilst he's in his bedroom and go off and play. And I know he's learning from it. Now, Osmo also offer a couple of other kits as well. So this is the Genius Kit, but they also offer the Little Genius Kit, the Creative Kit, and the Coding Kit. So I'm definitely going to look into investing in some of those because I know they'll be a massive hit with Klayton. Now, their kits actually span from all the way from ages 3 to 10, so I know that I can get Parker involved too. I would highly recommend you guys taking a look at the Osmo kit. I will leave the link in the description box below for you. And if you're looking for some ideas for Christmas, then this would be a great idea. Would you like this if Father Christmas bought it for you?
Yeah. Because I'm enjoying this.
It is, it's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching, and I will see you all in another video again very shortly. Bye guys!
Bye bye.
I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late.